What is up, everyone? Today's tutorial is going to be how to create custom alert boxes on Streamlabs OBS. First off, you're going to want to locate your alert box in the sources box. If you do not have an alert box source, click the plus symbol right beside source, click on alert box, and then click add source. Next, what you're going to want to do is click on alert box in the sources box and then click on the cogwheel to the right. This will pull up your alert box menu. This will display all the different alerts that you can customize. The alert I'm going to customize is the donation alert. Once you have the alert that you want to customize selected, you're going to see some different options. These options include the image, which will be the image displayed when the alert is triggered. The layout is if you want the donation message either below the image, over the image, or to the side of the image. The sound option is where you can put in your custom sound to play when someone donates to you during your stream. The sound volume is the volume of your sound. The message template is the message that will be displayed on your stream. The minimum amount to trigger alert is just the minimum amount the viewer will have to donate to trigger the donation alert. There are some additional options at the bottom, including animations, font settings, and custom code that we will go over once we set up our image and sound. To change your image, hover your mouse over the image and click on Change Media. This will open the media gallery. In the media gallery, it will save all of your uploads, and it also includes stock files to choose from. To upload your custom image, click on the drag and drop upload box on the top left. This will open your file explorer. Now go and find your custom image that you want to upload to Streamlabs and double click it. Your image should now show up in the media gallery. All you have to do is click on the image, make sure it's highlighted green, and click done. We are going to do the same thing for sound. You're going to click on Change Media and then click on the drag and drop upload box in the top left. Find your file and your sound should be uploaded to Streamlabs. Now that you have changed your image and your sound, click on this play button to see what your alert will look like. The animations dropdown includes alert duration, which is how long said alert will display. Show animations and hide animations essentially allow you to choose how you want your alert box to appear and how you want it to disappear. Text delay is if you want your image to appear before your text appears for your alert. Text animations allow you to add animation to your text, which will show when your alert pops up on your stream. Under font settings, we have font family, where you can change which font you use for your text. Font size, font weight, text color, and text highlight color are all pretty self-explanatory. Just play around with those and see what you like. Custom code, well, frankly, is where you enter your own custom coding. I myself do not do this nor how to do this, so I don't worry too much about it. Maybe I'll do it for another video. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This concludes tutorial number 2 on Streamlabs, how to customize your alerts. If you guys like what you saw, please consider hitting that subscribe button, leaving the video a thumbs up, and also down in the comments, let me know what tutorial I should do next. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching.